This is a 2010 Ford Escape. It features a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and four-wheel drive. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension, a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, aluminum wheels, and satellite radio. The following features are also included: cruise control, an auto-dimming rearview mirror, external temperature display, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a four-wheel independent suspension, front fog lights, roof rails, dusk sensing headlights, an anti-lock braking system, and this vehicle has fewer than 17,000 miles on the odometer. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.
Beach Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have purchasing your new vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 2717 Virginia Beach Boulevard in Virginia Beach.